J&J Auto Consumption Test for HLDG178. This is a 1990 Dodge D150. It's a 5.2 liter V8. The fan clutch is rubbing against the shroud. A little bit of a rattle there at the back. The motors are very nice, very clean. Vehicle has a very nice maroon interior. That will definitely be up for sale. And as you can see here, it has 112,542 miles. Revs up awesome. Let's just do it one more time. Oh yeah. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Consumption Test for HLDG178. Thank you, and as always, God bless America.